Can't decide which colour to use to decorate your cake with? Well, why not use all of them with this fantastic colour gradation cake? Start by rolling out some white fondant icing and then using a stencil to press in a lovely pattern. Just roll it over with a rolling pin. Beautiful! Using a cookie cutter, you can cut out a butterfly shape. And we're painting on some edible gold powder. Excellent! Just chill that so it sets, and meanwhile, get lots of bowls of buttercream icing and lots of food colouring, because we're going to make some colourful buttercream icing, just like a rainbow. Right, now we get our plain cake. We're using vanilla, but you can use whichever cake you like. Fill it with buttercream icing and layer it and then coat it in buttercream icing too. Smooth it out. Ready to decorate. Using a toothpick, you're going to create a spiral pattern on the top. Now time to decorate. So we've put our different coloured buttercream icing in food piping bags. We're using a very thin nozzle to put tiny dollops on. Varying the colour, so we do a kind of fading effect, morphing from one kind of shade into the next. So we've gone from light to dark purple, then light to dark blue, then morphing into more turquoisey and green colours. This wonderful gradation of colours going on here. Yellow next. You can, of course, use whichever colours you prefer and in any order you prefer, or even do this same kind of idea but do a picture, or perhaps make your favourite animal on it, or just your favourite thing, or even a rainbow. We're doing a spiral because we think that works quite well when you're doing colour gradation like this. So we've gone dark orange now into pink. And just keep going around your spiral shape into red. So a little bit of patience may be needed for this kind of cake decorating, but it's loads of fun. And I tell you what, if you've got kids, get them involved too, because they will love doing this. You want to make it even more interesting, you could use a different type of nozzle on your food piping bag, like serrated edge or a different shape. We're keeping it nice and simple. So we've gone back to our purples and we're sort of going around full circle really. When you're done with that, we've gone down the side as well as on the top. We just stuck on our butterflies. Our lovely gold covered fondant butterflies. And there you have it. Pretty simple really. And I'd say very effective too. Dig in.